Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we're going to be taking a look at the women's exclusive Air Jordan 1 High. It's called the Atmosphere, but a lot of us are calling this the Bubblegum. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for all of our amazing membership perks as well as our amazing merch store. As mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about the women's exclusive Air Jordan 1 High, the Atmosphere, also known as the Bubblegum. So we're going to start off with this overview, talk about size and fit on these, talk about how I style this really cool pearlescent pink color scheme with navy, and then we'll conclude with how crazy these are actually doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. Starting off with the toe box, you'll notice that we have this laser pink colorway and it's in the patent material. So it really has a nice sheen to it. It also is very pearlescent when you really shine it with the light. On the front, we've got just leather for that toe box in navy. And then as we work our way up, we do have navy laces, but if you're not feeling these laces, we do have actually two other options. If you're not feeling the navy, which I do think blends quite nicely with this nylon navy tongue, you do have the option to put either pink or white. I actually think I might test out the pink laces because I do think that this would actually pop quite nicely off of that navy tongue. We also get this really cool, very pearlescent pink Nike Air hang tag on the side here, which I think is just a nice subtle touch. So let's take a little look at those details and then move on to the side panel. Right, so as far as the side paneling goes, you'll see that there's tumbled white leather underneath a beautiful, just simple navy swoosh. As we work our way to the back, more of that patent shiny laser pink that wraps around the heel. Then we have a navy color scheme for the wings logo. We've got more leather on the top of this heel and some nice just navy for the inside of that collar. The insole is navy and pink, and then the midsole is simplistic in white, and the shoe is then completed with that pop of pink for the outsole. And one of the coolest parts about the outsole of the sneaker is actually on the bottom of the right sneaker. It looks like a piece of bubble gum that you may have stepped in. It's in this nice pop of bright hot pink. And I think this is just a really intricate, really cool, subtle detail that they put on the bottom of these. We also have a navy and white box, which is kind of nice that they gave us a different box. I do think it just really complements this shoe quite nicely. Moving on to the side parts of the box, you'll notice that there is also nice pops of that laser pink just to really blend quite nicely to match up with the sneaker. All right, so now let's move on to size and fit on these. So again, this was a women's exclusive, so sorry boys if you didn't make the cut for your size range, but I am a true women's size 9, and I would highly recommend just sticking true to size on this one. I do have high narrow feet, high arch narrow feet, so if you do have flat feet that are a bit wider, I would say that this could differentiate a size that works better for you. But if you do have similar feet to myself, I would say stick true to size on this one. All right, now let's jump into styling. So I definitely wanted to play with the colors that I saw throughout this shoe. So for the first look, I wanted to keep it very simple. So I wore all navy with a just navy sweatsuit. So nice navy sweatpants with a matching zip up sweat top. And I feel like the navy just really blended quite nicely with the navy hues in this sneaker. Look, I wanted to bring some patterns into the mix, so I decided to wear a plaid skirt that had some different color options that really added and played with the color scheme of the shoe. And then I topped that off with a nice pink to match that pearlescent pink laser pink color scheme going on the shoe, and then I layered that with a navy trench coat. That same navy trench coat, but this time I decided to layer it differently with a pink hoodie underneath and some nice just light wide leg denim pants. I think any type of light denim jeans that you want to pair with this looks great. Again, I really am obsessed with this colorway. I think that it's just such a nice differentiating color scheme that we haven't seen all year. And this was definitely to pay homage to Michael Jordan himself, who has had many iconic pictures with him popping bubblegum on the court. So definitely love having these to add to my collection, just because it does give a little bit of a different flavor when it comes to switching it up with my sneaker game. Out of those 3 looks, be sure to let me know which one you liked the most, or how would you style these?
You're rushing, and maybe this is just a mess that I made. Boosting your ego just so you can hang. You don't have to hit my line. You ain't gotta play nice no more. We already crossing lines. I think we run this out of time, and you don't have to read my mind. I don't think you are what I'm looking for, and we already crossing lines. I think we run this out of time. I think we run this out of time. up in my mind and all up in my atmosphere, out of place. And all over my frame, disrupting all my elements. And maybe this is just a mess that I chose, feeding your ego, so maybe you grow. You don't have to hit my line, you ain't gotta play it nice no more. We already crossing lines, I think we run this out of time. And I don't need this on my mind, I don't think you're what I'm looking for. And we already crossing lines, I think we run this out of time. I think we run this out of time.
All right, now let's conclude with how these are currently doing on the retail market. So these went for $170 retail, and they're currently going between $260 to $285, which is pretty crazy price point. I do think that a lot of people really wanted these. I was able to cop these off the sneaker app. This was one of my last wins of 2021, so I was really fortunate and really lucky to be able to snag this pair. All right, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new here today, thanks so much for tuning in. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, leave those down below. Hit that notification box. We have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name's Marissa. We'll catch you on the next video.